Anker 160 total watt output. This one was on the pricier side. It's a little heavy. And on here you have, it's supposed to show all the readings of once you start plugging everything in here, it'll show the power distribution and the power button. But there is your 2-prong that plugs into the wall. And then you have 3 outlets here, 3 USB-Cs. This also comes with a little instruction booklet to tell you how the power is divided, because this is 160 watts, but it's 160 watts combined, not each. So it tells you the configurations here, what you could do, that all add up to 160. So just pause the video if you want to see what all the output settings are. The way I see this is when you buy an Apple charger for your laptop, that's basically what you're paying for. So I want to get a product that does more than just charge my laptop. This is a MacBook Pro charger. This is the smaller charger. And it only has 1 USB-C output. But look at the size comparison. It's a little thicker. The Anker is a little thicker, but it is shorter than the Apple. And it could do more. So I think if you're an Apple user, you should just get this Anker. It's a good deal. It's versatile. You can plug more in, and it's just as big as the regular Apple charger. This is the smaller one. If you have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, you have the bigger brick. And this could handle that too, with a smaller size.